Pupunta ka ba ng Seoul? If yes, this video is for you. Today guys, October 20, 2025 and the weather today is 6 degrees Celsius. Yup, you heard it right. 6 degrees Celsius in an autumn season. Wow, sobrang lamig guys. As in, sobrang lamig. So if you're going to Seoul today or this week, please bring winter outfits. If meron kayong mga heat tech, meron kayong mga kapal na mga jacket na, if meron kayong mga trench coat, dalhin nyo na sila guys. Kasi ako, ang mga dala ko lang is autumn outfit. Pero hindi ko na-expect na ganito kalamig. Kasi meron talagang sudden drop sa temperature ngayon. So even the government agencies nag-release na sila ng warning na talagang mag-ingat kasi because of the drastic drop sa weather. So guys, according to the weather agency, we are still in the autumn season. Hindi pa talaga tayo nasa winter. Winter feels lang talaga. So guys, if ayaw nyong maging hotdog sa freezer, magdala kayo ng mga kapal na jacket kasi guys, sobrang lamig. Right now, ang lamig-lamig ng kamay ko. So if meron kayong opportunity to bring your gloves with you, dalhin mo sila. Okay? So if you have any questions, please comment down below at sasagutin ko silang lahat. Okay? See you in Seoul!